Introducing the FIFINE K688 Studio Dynamic Microphone. Experience the power of your voice like never before with the FIFINE K688 Studio Dynamic Microphone. Crafted to perfection, this microphone ensures your voice is heard with unparalleled clarity and originality. Upgrade your recording setup effortlessly with the versatile XLR connection, allowing seamless integration with studio equipment for a professional-grade recording experience. With plug-and-play USB connectivity, take your recordings on the go and enjoy hassle-free setup whether you're streaming live or gaming on your PC or console. Handle awkward moments like a pro with the tap-to-mute feature and stay in control with dual volume adjustments for microphone and headphone monitoring. Enjoy crystal-clear audio with advanced noise reduction technology, a built-in windscreen, and shock mount, ensuring your voice shines through without any unwanted background noise. Don't settle for ordinary. Elevate your recordings with the FIFINE K688 Studio Dynamic Microphone and make your voice the star of the show. Introducing Govee RGBIC Neon LED Strip Lights. Unleash your creativity with 3 meters of bendable neon brilliance. Shape, style, and share your unique designs in the Govee Home app community. Experience mesmerizing multicolor effects with Govee's dynamic RGBIC technology. Transform any space with nature, holidays, and emotion scene modes. Control with ease using Alexa, Google Assistant, or the Govee Home app. Sync to music for an immersive party or gaming experience. Download the app for endless customization options, including 16 million colors, 64 scene modes, and interaction with millions of users. Not just for illumination, these lights create ambiance wherever they glow. Elevate your decor game with Govee Neon LED Strip Lights. Introducing Dream Color Hexagon LED Lights. Get ready to be amazed by our dynamic Dream Color technology, bringing vibrant hues to life in mesmerizing hexagon patterns. With 60 preset scenes and music modes, along with customizable dimming and speed controls, the fun never ends. Let the lights dance to your favorite tunes, or set the mood with auto mode switching between 60 scene modes. Craft your own unique shapes and designs to suit your style and space. These premium LEDs shine brightly, making a bold statement wherever they're placed. Transform any room into a cool and lively space with these hexagon rhythm lights. From bedrooms to gaming setups, they add a touch of magic to any occasion. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Introducing the big and tall gaming chair with footrest. Step into the world of ultimate comfort and style with this meticulously crafted gaming chair. From its spacious design to the eye-catching logos and unique cloth detailing, every feature is designed to elevate your gaming experience. Crafted from top-quality materials, this chair boasts sweat-proof PU leather with stylish 3D carbon elements for added flair and durability. Experience unmatched comfort with adjustable backrests, seat height, and 3D arms, providing tailored support for any gaming session. Plus, enjoy extra support with lumbar and headrest pillows, while the tilt tension knob lets you customize your reclining experience. Invest in peace of mind with certified comfort and safety features, including smooth rolling wheels, SGS-certified gas cylinder, and heavy-duty metal base. Tested rigorously for reliability with a maximum capacity of 350 pounds. Rest assured with our risk-free purchase guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority, and our dedicated customer service team is here to assist you every step of the way. Click to add to cart and upgrade your gaming setup today. Introducing the Redragon M901 Gaming Mouse. Elevate your gaming with precision and style using the Redragon M901. With up to 12400 DPI and customizable RGB backlighting, this mouse delivers unparalleled accuracy and vibrant aesthetics. Designed for comfort and efficiency, its ergonomic shape reduces stress during long gaming sessions. With 19 programmable buttons, including 12 MMO side buttons, you have total control over your gameplay. Compatible with Windows and featuring durable construction, this mouse ensures reliability and smooth performance. Level up your gaming experience with the Redragon M901 gaming mouse today.